and welcome to episode 43 of Think in English, the podcast. I'm Lily, your host, and today we're diving into one of the most useful topics ever, talking about your job or studies. Imagine this. You're at a party or meeting new people online, and someone smiles and asks, "What do you do?" Boom, your mind goes blank. Happens to everyone, right? But after today, you'll feel confident and ready. We're going to practice natural, real English conversations. Joining me is my fantastic co-host, Ben.
Hey Lily, hello to all you wonderful listeners out there. You're already awesome for practicing English with us today. Yeah, that what do you do question is everywhere. Parties, networking events, even family dinners. I once answered, I do stuff. Not my best moment.
Classic, Ben. So true. Today, we'll talk like real friends about jobs and studies. We'll repeat key phrases a lot so they stick in your brain forever. There will be fun, interactive parts. Pause the podcast and repeat out loud with us. No mistakes allowed here, only learning and laughing. Positive vibes only. Are you excited, Ben?
Super excited. Let's jump in. Starting simple. Lily, what do you do for a living?
Good one. I work as a language coach. That means I help people just like you learn English through online lessons and fun activities. It's my dream job. And you, Ben, what do you do?
Right now, I'm a full-time student studying graphic design at university. Graphic design is creating things like posters, websites, and logos. Plus, I have a part-time job as a barista in a cozy cafe. I make lattes, cappuccinos, and chat with customers. Sometimes I draw little designs on the coffee foam.
Wow, that sounds so creative and fun. Barista life. Free coffee all day? Key phrase, everyone. What do you do? This is the most common way to ask about someone's job or main activity. Repeat after me. What do you do? Say it loud and proud.
Yes, what do you do? Pause and say it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Great. Now answers. For jobs, I work as a, for example, I work as a nurse. I work as a programmer. Listeners, say your own. I work as a.
Perfect. And for students, I'm a student or I'm studying subject. Like Ben said, I'm studying graphic design. Repeat, I'm studying English or your subject. Go on, say it.
Awesome job. Let's practice more. Imagine we're at a coffee shop. Hi, I'm Ben. Nice to meet you. What do you do?
Hi, Ben. I'm Lily. I work as a language coach. I teach English online. What about you?
Cool. I'm studying graphic design and I work part-time as a barista. Do you enjoy your job?
I absolutely love it. It's rewarding because I see my students get better every day. Rewarding means it gives you a good feeling inside. Repeat, do you enjoy your job? Or shorter, do you like your job?
Do you like your job? Say it. And for students, do you like your studies? My answer sometimes is yes, but not the early morning classes. Listeners, repeat. Do you like your studies?
Excellent. Now let's go deeper. Ben, tell us about a typical day in your life. What do you do every day?
Sure. As a barista, I wake up early, go to the cafe, make lots of coffee, take orders, smile at customers, and clean the machines. In university, I attend lectures, work on projects, draw designs on my computer, and study with friends. It's a mix. Key phrase, a typical day, or what do you do every day?
Repeat, what do you do every day? Now my turn. A typical day for me, I plan lessons in the morning, teach classes online in the afternoon, give feedback on homework, and record podcasts like this in the evening. It's busy, but I love it. Busy means full of activities. Repeat, it's busy, but I love it.
It's busy, but I love it. Say that about your day. Perfect. Now the fun parts. Lily, what's the best part of your job?
Definitely when a student says, I spoke English today without fear. It's so motivating and encouraging. Motivating means it gives you energy to continue. Encouraging means it makes you feel supported.
Nice. For me, the best part of studies is finishing a design and thinking, wow, I made that. But the worst part, deadlines and exams. Deadlines are dates when you must finish something. Repeat, what's the best part of your job?
What's the best part of your job? And what's the worst part? Pause and answer for yourself out loud. The best part is, the worst part is.
You're doing great. Interactive moment. Pretend you're introducing yourself. Say, hi, I'm your name. I work as a, your job, or I'm studying your subject. Pause the podcast and do it now.
Yes, we'll wait. Okay, welcome back. Now, common jobs. Let's list some and repeat. Teacher, I work as a teacher. Doctor, I work as a doctor. Engineer, I work as an engineer. Salesperson, I work as a salesperson. Chef, I work as a chef. Repeat, I work as a teacher.
Good. Now studies. I'm studying medicine. I'm studying business. I'm studying computer science. I'm studying art. I'm studying law. Say, I'm studying medicine.
Fantastic. Joke time to relax. Why did the computer go to art school? Because it wanted to learn how to draw better. Like graphic design.
Love it. Punny again. Okay, transport. How do you get to work or university, Lily?
I work from home mostly, but when I go out, I take the bus or the train. It's relaxing. I listen to podcasts.
I ride my bike to the cafe and university. It's good exercise and eco-friendly. Or sometimes I drive. Key phrase, how do you get to work? Or how do you get to school, university?
Repeat, how do you get to work? Answers, I take the bus, I drive, I walk, I ride the subway, I cycle, or I ride my bike. Say yours.
Perfect. Work hours. Ben here works part-time from 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. at the cafe. Then university classes from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m.
I have flexible hours. Flexible means I can choose. Usually 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. with lunch break. Break means short rest. Repeat, what time do you start work? Or what hours do you work?
What hours do you work? Answer, I work from 9 to 5. Classic. Or, I have flexible hours.
Let's role play different jobs. Ben, pretend you're a teacher. What do you do?
I work as a teacher. I prepare lessons, teach students in class, grade homework, and help with questions. Do you like being a teacher?
Yes, it's fun, but tiring sometimes. Now, me as a student. I'm studying engineering. I attend lectures, do lab work, solve problems.
Cool. Challenging, right? Challenging means hard but good for growth. Repeat, my job is challenging but interesting.
My job is challenging but interesting. Say it. Now, past experiences. Ben, have you always studied graphic design?
No, I used to study marketing, but I switched because I love drawing more. Used to means in the past. Switched means changed.
I used to work in an office as an administrator, but now I'm a coach. It's better for me. Key phrase, I used to work as.
Repeat, I used to be a waiter, or your own. I used to study biology.
Great. Future dreams. What do you want to do after you graduate, Ben?
I want to work as a freelance graphic designer. Freelance means working for myself, different clients, or join a big company like Google.
Amazing. I want to help more people with English and maybe write a book. Repeat, after I graduate, I want to.
I want to become a doctor. I want to start my own business. Business means company. Say your dream.
Joke. Why was the math book sad? Because it had too many problems. Like study sometimes, haha.
Haha. Skills time. What skills do you need for your job, Lily?
Communication skills, talking clearly, patience, waiting without getting angry, organization, planning well, and enthusiasm.
For graphic design, creativity, attention to detail, software skills like Photoshop, teamwork. Repeat, I need good communication skills.
What skills do you have? Say, I have strong math skills, or I have good teamwork skills.
Interactive. List 3 skills for your job or studies. Pause and say them out loud.
Back, how long? Ben, how long have you been studying graphic design?
About 3 years now. Present perfect for duration.
I've been a coach for 6 years. How long have you been working as a barista?
1 year. Key phrase, how long have you been doing your job?
Repeat an answer. I've been studying for 2 years.
Longer dialogue practice. Imagine meeting an old friend.
Hi, Ben. Long time no see. What have you been up to lately?
Hey, Lily. I've been busy with university and work. I'm studying graphic design full-time now. What about you these days?
Still loving my job as a language coach. I teach online every day. Do you enjoy graphic design?
Yes, a lot. The projects are creative, but deadlines are stressful. Stressful means worrying.
I know. The best part for me is student progress. What's yours?
Seeing my designs used. How do you get to your office?
I work from home mostly. You?
Bike to campus from 8 a.m. to evening sometimes.
Flexible for me. I used to commute, but not anymore. Commute means travel to work.
True. Future. What do you want to do next?
Grow the podcast. You?
Freelance designer.
Awesome. Repeat parts of that dialogue if you want.
More idioms. Pull an all-nighter. Study or work all night.
Back to the drawing board. Start again. Good for design.
Learn the ropes. Learn how to do a new job.
Repeat, I'm learning the ropes at my new job.
Joke. Why don't eggs tell jokes? They'd crack each other up. Crack up means laugh a lot.
More jobs. Accountant handles money. Nurse cares for patients. Programmer writes code. Mechanic fixes cars.
Repeat, I work as an accountant.
Studies, psychology, history, nursing, marketing.
I'm studying psychology.
Daily routine details. I wake up, have breakfast, check emails, prepare lessons, teach, lunch break with a walk, more classes, dinner, relax.
I alarm at 6. Gym sometimes. Cafe shift. University. Homework. Sleep.
Repeat. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Best/worst expanded. Worst for me, group projects when someone doesn't help. Best, feedback from teachers.
Worst, technical problems online. Best, thank you messages from students.
Skills more. Time management, problem solving, language skills.
Yes. How long in your city or job?
I've lived here 5 years, working too.
Advice. Talk to yourself in English about your day. Mirror practice.
Record on phone, listen, and improve.
Find a language partner online.
Watch interviews about jobs in English.
You're all stars.
Now, quick review time.
We practiced, what do you do? I work as, I'm studying, do you like it? Daily routines, transport, hours, best and worst parts, skills, past with used to, future with want to, how long with present perfect, idioms, and lots of repeats.
All to help you speak naturally. Key phrases repeated many times for memory.
Keep practicing every day. Talk about your job or studies with anyone. You're improving so fast.
We believe in you. Amazing work today.
Thank you for listening to episode 43. Subscribe, leave a comment about your job.
See you next episode.
Bye! Keep thinking and speaking in English.